हाय स्टूडेंट्स, कल हम लोग पढ़े थे चैप्टर नंबर 11 में नाउन्स एंड जेंडर। नाउन्स एंड जेंडर में genders of nouns. There are 4 types of gender: masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Masculine, that means it refers to male person. Feminine, it refers to female person. Formation of feminine nouns, that means feminine genders. Rule A. Some feminine nouns are formed by adding the suffix ess, something with a slight change, or ine to the masculine, as shepherd, shepherdess, actor, actress, prince, princess, lion, lioness. Some feminine nouns are formed from the masculine by changing the prefix or suffix, as cock sparrow, then it will be hen sparrow, he goat, she goat, man servant, maid servant, grandfather, grandmother, landlord, landlady, milkman, milkmaid. Many nouns have different words for the masculine and the feminine, as boy, girl, king, queen, cock, hen, uncle, aunt, bull, cow, horse, mare. Now in exercise 1, match the male nouns in column A with the female nouns in column B. So it is column A, grandfather. So grandfather will be matched with grandmother, because grandfather's feminine gender will be grandmother. Nephew, nephew's feminine gender will be niece. Tiger, feminine gender will be tigress. Horse, female gender will be mare. Wizard, witch. Deer, doe. So in exercise 2 we will do it. Write the gender of each of the following words. Sister is feminine gender, mother is feminine gender, actor is common gender, tigress is feminine gender, desk is neuter gender, aunt is feminine gender, dog is masculine gender, book is neuter gender, mistress is feminine gender, servant is common gender, nephew is masculine gender, slave is common gender, flower is flower will be neuter gender, spider will be masculine gender, lady will be feminine gender, mare will be feminine gender, master will be masculine gender, tree will be neuter gender, emperor will be masculine gender, cook will be common gender, friend will be common gender, cow will be masculine gender, cow will be feminine gender, actress will be feminine gender, boy will be masculine gender, baby will be common gender, ox will be masculine gender, prince will be masculine gender, people will be common gender, child will be common gender, cousin, our cousin will be common gender, box will be neuter gender, ball will be neuter gender. So students, here you will have to complete these exercise 1 and exercise 2, and you have to learn more and more about this chapter nouns and gender, and you have to learn also all the 4 types of gender, that means masculine, feminine, common, neutral gender. So thank you.